It's Sunday night. Your room is clean. Your desk is organized. Your clothes are ready for tomorrow. Everything looks prepared. But your mind? Your mind is still cluttered. You're thinking about tomorrow's meeting. That email you still haven't replied to. That mistake you made last week. And suddenly, Sunday night feels heavy. Here's the truth most people never hear. Your Sunday reset is incomplete. Because people clean their rooms. But they forget to clean their minds. And that's exactly why Monday feels so stressful. Think about what millions of people are doing right now. Scrolling their phones. Watching random videos. Trying to distract themselves from Monday. But the more they scroll, the louder their thoughts become. What if tomorrow goes wrong? What if I mess up? What if I'm not ready? Here's the strange part. None of those things have even happened yet. You're stressing about a future that doesn't exist. And more than 2,000 years ago, someone already understood this problem. A Roman emperor named Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius ruled the most powerful empire in the world. He dealt with wars, political enemies, economic collapse, plagues, pressure most of us can't even imagine. Yet in his private journal, later published as Meditations, he wrote something incredibly powerful. He said, "Nowhere can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul." In simple words, when the world becomes chaotic, retreat inward. This was a core practice of Stoicism, a mental purification, a reset of the mind, an inner detox. 4. The real reason Sunday feels heavy. Your stress tonight isn't really about Monday. It's about imagination. Your brain is creating scenarios that may never happen. The Stoics had a simple rule for this. Focus only on what you control. Nothing more. Nothing less. But most people do the exact opposite. They worry about other people's opinions, future mistakes, outcomes they cannot control. And slowly, their mind becomes cluttered, just like a messy room. Except this time, the mess is inside your head. The Stoic Sunday reset. So here is a simple Stoic ritual you can do tonight. It takes less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Turn everything off. No music. No scrolling. No notifications. Just silence. This is your mental reset. Step 2. Take a piece of paper. Write down 3 things you're worried about tomorrow. Maybe it's a presentation, a difficult conversation, a deadline. Now ask yourself one powerful question. Is this in my control? If the answer is yes, write the action you will take. If the answer is no, release it. Let it go. Because worrying about something you cannot control will never change the outcome. This is the Stoic way. Clear the mind. Focus the energy. Move forward calmly. Imagine starting Monday like this. Instead of panic, there is clarity. Instead of anxiety, there is focus. Instead of chaos, there is control. Nothing outside has changed. Your job is the same. Your responsibilities are the same. But your mind is different. And when the mind changes, the entire week changes. So tonight, before you clean your desk again, before you prepare your clothes, before you check your phone one more time, ask yourself one question. Have I cleaned my mind? Because a calm mind is the ultimate Sunday reset. And when your mind is clear, Monday stops being something you fear. It becomes something you conquer. If this message helped you reset your mind tonight, subscribe for more wisdom from Stoicism and timeless lessons from Marcus Aurelius. Because sometimes, the most powerful change in your life starts with 10 minutes of silence.